Hey everybody, it is Phineas back with another video. Alright, today's a fun one. When I saw this, I knew I had to make this because I like new items, new cakes, new desserts. But check this one out. Alright. Peeps. Peeps cake and Peeps Frosting. How fun is that? Come on. Alright, so this is how labels get you too. Because this Peeps Frosting, it's just vanilla frosting. And they dyed it yellow, I guess. I haven't opened it yet, but it's supposed to be yellow. And then, because you can get vanilla frosting way cheaper than what this was. But we'll make the cake, and we'll go over what it costs, what the calories are, what it costs per slice, what it costs to make the whole thing. And then, okay, here's some cool stuff about Peeps. Now, are you guys a fan of Peeps? Because I am not. To me, they're like candy corn. Like, do people really like Peeps? Marshmallowy? I don't know. But this cake might be good. Let's just see. I have no idea. Alright, so here's 4 quick facts about Peeps. They started in 1953. They've been around a long time. The Peeps factory makes 5 million Peeps a day during Easter season and 1 billion Peeps per year. I mean, someone's eating this stuff, right? Alright, number 3. Each Peep has 32 calories. So it's not bad calories. It's just marshmallow and sugar. And then, number 4, April 2nd is National Peeps Day. And I'm actually filming this on April 2nd, but that was pure coincidence. I just had time to film it. I've been getting the ingredients, and I've been putting it together out there in the kitchen. And then I said, let me find some Peeps facts. And April 2nd, Peeps Day, which I did not know that. All right, I just heard the oven preheat. It just went off. So let's go make this thing, and then we'll take a look at it, and then we'll try it. Blooper. Alright, let's put this Peeps mofo in the oven at 350 for like 35 minutes. I'm just following the instructions on the box, nothing fancy. Alright, I'll see you in a minute. Alright, let's take this thing out. Alright. Okay, now it says leave it in the pan on the coin rack for 15 minutes. So let's do that. I'll get right back to you. All right, let's flip this mofo over. All right. All right, that came out pretty good. All right, so now I'm gonna let it cool completely and then we'll frost this. Okay, everybody, I just got back from Dollar Tree. I figured I'd decorate the Peeps cake after it's done. So we picked up some things. It was $6.65. So we got some tropical punch Peeps, some pink Peeps, some watermelon Peeps, some gummy Peeps, and some jelly beans, just to have some fun with it. Okay, remember the trick we did at the Ding Dong cake video? You add a couple teaspoons of milk to the frosting and it gets it all creamy and easy to spread. That's what we just did here. Look how yellow. Looks like Peep Frosting. Look how creamy it is because that is just a tad bit of milk, 2 teaspoons, or even less. Look at that. Ooh, it's so creamy. So let's frost this bad boy. I never used a bundt cake pan, so I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh, it's a lot of frosting. I mean, it looks like a peach color. I'm making a total mess. All right, we made a mess. I don't want to taste it yet. All right, let's throw some. Let's decorate it a little bit. Oh, because it's supposed to be an Easter type cake. Okay. All right. I'm such a cake artist. Throw some jelly beans on there. I got these Peep gummies, Dollar Tree. Stick a couple on there, just for fun. What the heck? Then let's put some real Peeps on there. I really plan on doing the decorating part. That was kind of an active thought, but yeah, it was kind of fun. Ooh, that smells like watermelon. Yeesh. Boom. Boom. Come on in the middle. All right. The Peep cake. All right. If anything, if nothing else, this was kind of fun. Slime everywhere. All right, so let's slice a piece. Then we'll take it back to the office, and then we'll try it, and then we'll go over the calories and the price and all that kind of stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of fun making that thing. Okay, I cut me a piece. Was it? All right, and I want to show you guys this. I've been collecting Peeps for the last month or so since they came out, different flavors, because I was gonna do like a Peep review. You know, I'm not a big fan of Peeps. Dr. Pepper Peeps, Tropical Punch, Rice Krispie Treat Peeps, Sour Watermelon Peeps. That's what's on this one. Breyers cookies and cream ice cream Peeps. Like Peeps is a whole world out there. All right, so let's go over the price. The whole cake, without the decorating, was $4.30. That's the frosting, the cake, the eggs, the oil. So, and I got 8 slices on it. 8, decent sized slices. So 54 cents a slice. You can't beat that. But there's a lot of... Listen how many calories are in this slice of cake. About 560 calories. And that does not include the peep on top and the jelly beans and stuff. So that's a lot of calories for this cake. So let's try this thing, shall we? This is the best part of it. All right. Let me take a bite of the Peep so I can tell what Peep tastes like. It's pink inside the watermelon. The Peep's actually not that bad. I'll try it again. Kind of tastes... It's pretty good. It's not bad. It kind of tastes, it's probably in my head, lemony because it's yellow. It's actually vanilla frosting dyed yellow. I got a jelly bean too. It tastes Easter-y, if that's a word. It's okay. It's no ding dong cake or banana split cake, but it's a box cake. It was fun to make. I think it'd be cool. You can take this like to a party and stuff, decorate it all up. That'd be kind of fun. Or if you have people over for Easter. So the price is $4.30 for the whole cake. Then you add decorations. You're gonna double that. You can play with the decorations. You can spend. I spent like $6 on decorations with jelly beans and stuff. I didn't use half of them. So let's say double it if you're gonna decorate it all up from Dollar Tree, the extra Peeps and jelly beans. But okay, pretty good. No ding dong cake, but I'm not mad at it. It's pretty good. You know I'm gonna finish it. All right, so. Let me know if you guys are gonna try it. It's at Walmart. You can probably get it anywhere. It was easy to make because it's just a box cake. I was just curious what the Peeps was gonna do to it. So pretty cool. No ding dong cake. No banana split cake. I'll put those links below if you want to make a real cake. But it was fun to make. It looks spring, Easter. It looks like that. I'm happy with it. I had fun. And the price is not bad. So. Let me know in the comments if you plan on trying this thing. I'll see you guys on the next one, and I'll see you guys in the comments. Thank you so much.